The polar bear is a large carnivorous mammal that is native to the Arctic region. It is the largest land predator in the world and can weigh up to 1,500 pounds. They are known for their thick white fur, which helps them blend in with their snowy surroundings. They are excellent swimmers and use their large front paws to paddle through the water. Their diet primarily consists of seals, although they also eat fish and other small mammals. Polar bears are classified as a vulnerable species due to hunting and loss of habitat due to climate change. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.